The attribute table is accessed from the Layers widget. In this example, we'll look at the Florida Parks and Recreational Facilities layer. To open the attribute table, click on the icon with 3 horizontal lines to the right of the layer name and select Open Attribute Table. The attribute table will open in the bottom half of the map viewer and will only include features that are currently visible in the map extent. If you pan or zoom across the map, the records in the attribute table will not automatically refresh. You need to click Refresh Table to update the records that correspond to the current map extent. The rectangle box that appears in the map is the current attribute table extent, or the spatial extent of features included in the attribute table. If you want to clear the map extent, select Clear, Clear All Features. If you've zoomed in or out and want to return to the current attribute table extent, select Zoom to All. Within the attribute table, you can sort features by clicking on a field or column name. You may need to expand the field width to reveal the field name. Do this by dragging the field name to the right. For example, to sort the parks by type, click on the Type field to sort it alphabetically. To sort parks by size, click on the Acres field once to sort ascending, or twice to sort descending. If we sort descending, we can see the largest park in this view is over 2,000 acres, Moss Park in Orlando. Click on the record to select it and zoom to it. You will see the selected feature segment in bright teal. If you would like, you can make the attribute table only include selected features. Click Display, display only selected records. To clear the selected segment, click Clear, then Clear Selected Features or Clear Selected Records. To close the attribute table for a layer, click on the X.